Have you gone to a US visa interview and you have no idea like what happened and what the status is? Well, this video, I'm going to walk you through how to check your status of your actual immigrant or non-immigrant visa online as soon as you walk out of that consulate interview. It will give you the up-to-date status of what's going on with your actual application. Let me walk you through step-by-step how to do that. Hi, and thank you for joining me to talk immigration. If you don't know me already, my name is Andrea Shev, and I am a U.S. immigration attorney. I've been doing this for over 20 years now, and I put together lots of videos for you on this channel so you can get clear, concise, and easy to understand information on all different topics of U.S. immigration. Now let's get into this topic that you're watching this video for, of how to check your visa status online after you've gone to your interview. You've gone to your interview and you don't know what's going on. Like, is it approved? Is it not approved? Sometimes we find out at our interview, but sometimes we don't. And then we wonder what's going on. So let's take you through step by step how to check your visa status after your interview. Here we go. Here we are on the page that you're going to go to check your status of your actual visa application. So if you go to this web page, ceac.state.gov/ceac./ and then you go here down to check my visa application status. You're going to then click that one. You're going to get to this page which says visa status check. When you get here, you're going to choose between an immigrant visa or a non-immigrant visa. Once you choose one of those, you're going to then input the country. Well, not even the country. You're going to input actually the consulate that you went to, the city and the country of the consulate that you went to, and you're going to put in your application ID number. That application ID number is going to be the ID that you get on your DS-160 application. So here's a picture of what that's going to look like. It's usually on your confirmation page and it starts with an AA. You're going to put that in this slot right here. You're going to put it right there, and then you're going to put in this little code and you're going to hit submit. When you hit submit, it's going to look like this, and there's going to be your current status. It's either going to say approved, it's going to say denied, it's going to say refused, and you'll know then immediately where you are in the process and what's going on with your application. It's as easy as that. Now, of course, this process or this thing that they provide you does not give you extensive detail of the status of your application, but at the very least you know that it is either refused, denied, approved, and then also it usually lists when the actual passport's been sent. So it gives you enough information where at least you know the basics of where you stand. So now that you see how or where to find it and where to find the information you need to put on it, now you at least have some basics that you can go through to check the status of your online visa application. Make sure also I have a link down below for not only that video that I talked about, if you get refused, then what? And also there is a free checklist that I put together and some tips and pointers from my 20 plus years of experience of doing immigrant visas for people and non-immigrant visa interviews for people, tips and pointers of what to keep in mind when you're going to a visa interview and what to bring. So make sure you check that out, hit that. It's free. It's from me to you to give you some tips and pointers to get through that visa interview successfully. I wish you all the luck out there. If you have any issues, please contact us. And have a great evening, morning, afternoon, wherever you are in the world. And thank you for joining me, and look forward to seeing you next time.